Dear learners, welcome to the learning video on pharmaceutical chemistry. In this video, we will discuss unique way to remember chemical structure. Today's drug is haloperidol. At the end of this learning video, the learners will be able to draw and remember chemical structure of haloperidol. Haloperidol, which is used as an antipsychotic agent. It is also called as major tranquilizer. Tranquilizers are the CNS depressant drugs which are taken to reduce the tension and anxiety. Tranquilizers has divided into two groups, that is major and minor. Major tranquilizer is also called as antipsychotic agents. The antipsychotic agents are used to treat the major states of mental disturbances in schizophrenic and other psychotic patients. To remember the chemical structure of any kind of drug, first thing you must know its chemical classification. The chemical classification of antipsychotic agents is as follows. If you gone through this classification, then you will find out the chemical class of haloperidol. Haloperidol belongs to the chemical class that is butyrophenones, and it contain the piperidine as a basic heterocyclic ring. So you have to mention the which heterocyclic ring present in that structure. So it will give you idea about its chemical class as well as which heterocyclic ring present in their structure. So let's see the structure of haloperidol. So this is the structure of haloperidol with its IUPAC name. Now, if you look up the structure of haloperidol, you might be think that how to draw and how to remember the structure of haloperidol. So dear students, I am going to share with you the tricks and tips how to remember the structure and how to draw the structure of haloperidol. It's very easy if you practice it. So let's see how to remember chemical structure of haloperidol. You know the chemical class of haloperidol, that is butyrophenones. ONE, the suffix used to mention the ketonic functional groups. The phen stands for phenyl and but stands for butyl. It means it is nothing but the butyl phenyl ketone, just like this. So this portion in the structure of haloperidol presents its chemical class, that is butyl phenyl ketone. Second and most important thing is the name of drug. You have to just observe the name of drug and the structure of drug and then try to get idea from the name. I have divided this haloperidol word into the three different words, just like this: halo, perid, ol. Already you have mentioned its heterocyclic ring in your classification, that is piperidine. Look, the piperidine also contain the word perid. So that perid stands for the piperidine ring. So you have to draw the piperidine ring just after the butyl portion, just like this. Now this perid is followed by OL, that is the suffix used for alcoholic functional group, that is OH. Means you have to attach the alcoholic OH at the fourth position of piperidine ring. Now what is remaining? The halo. Halo stands for halogen. So it is containing the two halogens, that is chloro and fluoro. Then you have to first attach the 4-chlorophenyl ring to the piperidine ring. And you have to attach the fluorine group at the fourth position of first phenyl ring. So this is the structure of haloperidol. And in this slide, we have seen how to remember the structure of haloperidol from its chemical class and the heterocyclic ring. You have to just observe the structure, try to point out the which chemical class is for that particular drug, and the name itself gives some idea about which group is present in that particular structure. Now, how to draw the structure of haloperidol? From where you have to start? Let's see, I am going to draw in front of you on screen. You have to just follow the method. Definitely, it will be useful to you for remembering as well as drawing the chemical structure of haloperidol. Haloperidol is from the class of butyrophenones, that is the ketone of phenyl and butyl. So first you have to draw the phenyl butyl ketone. So first draw the phenyl ring and you have to attach the butyl groups to this phenyl ring, that is 4 carbon atom, and then draw the ketonic functional group, that is C double bond O. Perid means piperidine ring. So draw the piperidine ring after butyl portion. After piperidine ring, you have to attach the alcoholic functional group, that is OL. So OH group you have to attach, and then attach the 4-chlorophenyl ring to the fourth position of piperidine ring. That is halo stands for halogen, that is chloro and fluoro. You have to first attach the chloro portion and then go for the halogen, that is fluorine, at fourth position of first phenyl ring. Then start the numbering from the ketonic functional group, that is carbon atom. Give the first number to the butyl portion, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go for the numbering for the piperidine ring, followed by the last phenyl ring, and then give the numbering to the first phenyl ring, just like this. Remember, while numbering, you have to give the first preference to the functional groups and then the substituents. So this is the structure of haloperidol. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.